Happy Friday! Today is October 20, 10:46 na guys. Natapos ko lang mag-walking and si Jan, habang nag-walking ako, nakita ko dumating na siya and ayun, nagkakat na siya ng grass sa likod. Ayun, naririnig ba siya? And nangutang ako sa tindahan ng tinapay at saka pineapple pieces. Meron ko sa freezer na bread kasi nakalimutan kong ilabas. Yung mga bata gusto nilang mag-pizza gamit yung bread. So sabi ko, utang na lang ako ng tinapay. Doon kasi sa tindahan na yon, pwede kami kumuha, tapos pinapalagay na lang namin sa pangalan ni Jan. And kakilala naman namin siya, so okay lang. Okay umutang dito sa Australia. Basta kakilala mo siya. Yun. May listahan kasi doon, tapos doon din kami, may card kasi si Jan doon na para sa kanyang fuel. So, sinasali na lang doon sa sa mga kinukuha namin kasi isahang bayad yun ni Johnny Boy. Gets nyo ba? Basta yun na yun. Pwede kaming umutang doon. Kahit yung mga kids, pag wala akong cash, kasi hindi naman ako masyadong may dala or merong cash dito sa bahay. Si Jan meron. And pag may gusto sila, sabi ko, sige, punta kayo doon sa tindahan. Palista nyo na lang sa daddy nyo. So, ganon. So, maligo lang. Magpapahinga ako, tapos maliligo. Kasi may initan na ako. Ayun siya. Hindi ko alam kung makikita niya. Ayun. Kaligo na pala ako kanina na insufficient tayo. So, nag-transfer ko na yung mga clips natin dyan sa SD card. And time check is, anong oras ba ako kanina nag-vlog? 1:22 na guys. Kanina pa, dapat ako mag-start ng vlog kaso wala tayong SD card. Kasi nga, transfer natin. And kanina pa nasa labas yung mga bata. Naglalaro. Nandito yung ibang kaibigan ni Sak. Nandito pa ba? Ilan pa ba sila dyan? Yan, nandito. So, labas tayo. Friend!
They went home.
Huh?
They went home.
They went
They
home.
had to go.
Why?
One had to go to the farm and one had to go to the mountain.
One need to go to the farm and the other one need to go to the mount. Oh, hindi na natin naabutan. And ayun na si Kuya.
I need a drink.
Nililigpit niya na yung host. And naglaba din ulit tayo. You need a drink? Do we have water here?
Do we?
Let me see your back.
What about it?
There's a lot of grass. Oops. Ayan.
Just wipe it off.
Yeah. Yung up and go yung iniinom nila. Up and go strawberry. Sabi ko hugasan muna nila yung mga paa nila kasi ang daming grass. Kasi di ba nag-cut si Jan? Ayan yung itsura ng ating grass. Your back sack. You have to wash your back. Ang lamig ng tubig na yan. Yeah, wash your back. So, hindi na natin na-vlog yung mga bata. Sila, sila Parker, tsaka si Touch. Nakita nyo na yun. Kanina pa sila dito, bago ako maligo. Tinawag ni Zach yung mga friends niya. So, mga 10:35 or 11. Kasi, nung nag-start ako mag-vlog, yun, umalis na si Zach para kunin yung friends niya kasi nga mainit. Gusto nila maglaro ng tubig. And, yeah. So, gawin ko na yung pizza bread. Meron ako dito cookie cutter na iba-ibang size. The Zach's request pizza bread.
Mommy, I want the pizza potato.
Pizza bread of snacks.
Pizza potato.
Pizza for tea.
Yeah. Pizza for
So, meron tayong maliliit pero hindi yan ang
Is
gagamitin.
it pizza for lunch?
So, ayan. Siguro ito. So, gasan ko muna. Kasi nakastock ko dun sa kung saan nyo ako nakita before na umakyat para kunin yung aking mga pabili. Alright. So, pinisan ko ito. Alright. So, gawin ko muna ito. Pero bawal mag-ingay. Ang vlog natin bawal mag-ingay. Ha? You hear me from there? Narinig niya daw ako. Pizza bread. No. So, naugasan na natin itong ating cutter, cookie cutter. Madami siya, guys. Madami. Madami siyang sizes. At maganda siya dahil meron siyang lalagyan. So, cut natin yung bread. Pwede naman kasing gawin na ganitong square. Pero gusto ko, pahirapan yung sarili ko. Gusto ko round, ganyan. So, ito yung perfect na fit niya. Kasi sakto. Oh my God. Pwede man dalawahin natin para ay, ang cute.
It looks like a hamburger.
So, gawin lang natin
Can
ito.
I eat the rest?
Yeah, yes.
I'm gonna eat the crust.
Okay, good girl.
Hello, hello, hello.
How many you want, Sak? How many you want?
Look at my wrist. Four. I want two. Probably three.
Three? Okay.
I want four. I want food, please, Mom.
Okay.
I want food, please. I want food.
Four for Sak.
They don't have what, three?
And si Kuya tsaka si Jan mag-golf sila mamayang 4. Kasi ngayon yung start ng opening ng golf sa Bay. So maglalaro sila. Mamaya. Yung dinner namin hindi ko pa alam. Pero may tira pa kami dyan na 2 paa ng adobo. Paa ng adobo. Yung chicken na drumstick. Yung dinner namin kagabi. Meron pa akong 2. So, hindi ko alam kung si Jen tsaka si Kuya magdi-dinner doon sa golf course. Tapos, yes, itong 2 na lang yung pakakainin ko dito. So ilan sa'yo sa?
Two, four,
How many you want?
7.
How many?
Oh, 2.
You want 2?
That's 2 plus
Okay.
4.
Okay, and then Kuya
2
will, Kuya will have 3 maybe, or 4. And kay Sak, meron pa yung apple. Kay Kuya, wala.
Gusto mo yung chicken din?
No, I have the salami.
But I saw this.
Yeah, I have chicken here. You want chicken?
No, the other chicken I cut up.
Cut up chicken? I don't think so.
Yeah.
So, eto. Anong gagawin natin dito? Ah! Yes, ano ko siya, gawin ko siyang breadcrumbs. So, yan na natin yan. Nalagay ko to sa plastic. Kasi pag gumagawa ako ng meatballs, etong bread yung
It was mushroom.
mushroom yung nakita niya. Kasi di ba kahapon nag-mushroom ako, akala niya chicken. So, nagmi-meatballs ako, instead na yung dry breadcrumbs, ang ginagamit ko ay tinapay para soft and moist yung ating meatballs. Baba, don't stop touching, please. So, ilalagay ko to sa freezer para pa nag-meatballs ako, meron na akong crust. Okay. So, 2 for you. Are you sure, Holly? Maybe I will make extra. I'll make extra. Yeah, maybe. Oh, I can always make. Ang ganda nito. Gusto ko to. Pwede
You
ko
know what
itong
you can do with that, Mum? Crack an egg and
for sunny side up eggs. I have the proper one.
yeah. You have
Ah! You want me to crack the eggs here and then toast it? I mean, that's a good idea. So, why? Yeah, for sunny side up eggs. Ah.
just to not waste it.
Yeah, I'm not gonna waste it. I'm gonna put this in the freezer for our meatballs. Instead of the dried breadcrumbs, I will put the bread. That's the one I always use. So, tama si Sak. Pwede nito sa egg. Okay, try one. And that's it. Kasi we have enough here. Wait. You have to... Oh, it's alright. It's alright. It's alright. No. Okay, that's alright. More. So you don't have the energy. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
You wanna try to? So you wanna try to? Wala, ang dami na nating pizza bread.
It's not tasty.
It's right in them. Wait, you have to make it in this. You wanna try ito, yeah? You have to wear clothes. Ano ka pa dyan? Perfect. No, that's enough because we have enough here. Si Kuya nagbihis na. Okay, come on here. Para ma-experience din ni Kuya. So, you do it. Okay, just...
Put it in the center.
Okay. That's right. And right down.
It's just then and put the
Ito na natira sa bread. Nagtira pa tayo.
finish it.
Okay, we're done with this. Now,
What are you gonna do now?
I'm gonna make the
You can
sauce.
probably do that for our lunch.
Yeah, lunch, yeah.
Is it like moving pizza?
It's just a bread pizza.
How big one? It's not a big one.
I know you don't like pineapple. I'm not gonna put pineapple. Naaya sa lamin. So, mag-ano lang tayo na.
What's that for?
Garlic.
I have one salami, one pizza, and 5 pineapple.
Gusto ko sana siyang lagyan ng
Is it
ano.
cheese?
Yeah, capsicum or yung bell pepper. At saka onions. Ayaw nila. I will put onions up, okay? It will taste good. Ano
I
talaga.
will have one
Kuya, you want, I will put some onions like regular pizza. Yeah.
No, not me.
Not for Saku.
For me, Mommy.
I will put for you.
I just want like pineapple and salami.
Pineapple sa main
And
cheese.
cheese, yeah. I want all of it, Mommy.
Okay.
So cucumbers.
No cucumbers.
Is this not cheese?
Kata tayo ng sibuyas. So, ito na yung garlic. Ngayon naman sibuyas. Si Sak ayaw niya. Si Holly gusto.
I like getting all that stuff off.
You will. I put one of your pizza bread. And try.
No,
Why? Onion is the best.
I don't like onions.
Yes.
No,
All I cook has onion.
yeah, but like I don't like seeing onions in it.
Huh?
I don't see onions in it. You have onions in it.
That's right.
Yeah, but I took all the onion out.
You won't see it because
I can't see it. Just put it in, please.
I will. So you can be used to it.
You know, I'm already used to it. I hate it.
Okay, I need ito na, meron tayo
Don't
dito
put any onions, thank you.
pizza sauce. I will.
Do not. 2 or 3.
I will.
Do you have any ham?
No, we don't have any. We finished the ham. Wala nang guys. Naubos namin. Naubos nila. Ang gawa muna ako ng
When are you
butter.
shopping?
Shopping? Maybe Monday. Why?
You buy that ham?
Hmm.
Buy a lot of that. No, like 2.
No, we cannot buy a lot because we have to use it in 3 to 4 days.
Oh, yeah.
Ah.
Yeah, but I ate it.
Yeah, but
Without butter.
lagay tayo ng butter dun sa ating garlic.
On cheese.
Yeah, butter.
That's a lot of butter. Do we need a lot of butter?
Salt and pepper. Lagay ito dito. Can I put a little bit of chili flakes?
Yes.
Just a little bit. It's not gonna be spicy. Yeah. Just a little bit.
Mom, just
Opposite sila. Si Sak gusto, si Kuya naman ayaw. Sa pineapple ayaw ni Kuya. Tapos si Sak ayaw sa onion. I'll put just a little bit.
I don't want onions, but I want chili flakes.
I will put just a little bit.
Chili flakes aren't red.
Maybe I don't. I know I have here.
What do you do? Mum, I forgot.
Nandito yung chili flakes natin.
They're not the chili flakes like that.
Ha?
They're the spicy version.
Just a little bit. I'm not gonna...
Just four. You put them all half before.
Ha? Nasaan na ba yung chili flakes natin? Paprika pala. Bakit wala na ako? Have you seen any chili flakes, Laria? Wala na pala. Here. Meron. Ayan. This is only mild. Let me see. Try it. Not that spicy.
Mom, can you pass me one please?
Lagyan na ako. Konti lang.
Let me try.
Konti lang kami. Here.
Let me try.
Konti lang. Is it spicy?
No.
It's only mild, right?
Mine.
Mild lang naman. Put this back there. Wait, I'm going to put this one.
Can you put a ghost pepper in there?
Hmm?
A ghost pepper.
Ghost pepper.
Do we have blueberries, Mom?
Huh? Blueberries. Yeah, later. You eat this first. Okay, minutes lang natin. So, spread lang natin dito muna yung
So, is that the sauce?
No, I'm gonna make sauce in a minute.
Can you just use the extra sauce?
Yeah, I will. Yeah, just wait,
What's
okay?
that? What's that bit?
It's just the butter. I'm just putting the garlic butter here for extra flavor.
Mom, I tried the butter. It's good.
It's good. Where's that? Oh,
Then that's what I'm going outside this way.
lumabas isa. Kakaingat ko mag-ano. Ubus na yung ating garlic butter. Ito na yung last. Magbigay na lang tayo regular butter. Pero ay, meron naman tayo na ilagay na garlic butter dito. Konti nga lang. So, papainit ako ng pan. What butter? Okay, you can try that. So, hindi ko siya ilalagay sa oven.
Oh, it's good.
That's good.
Yeah, I like it.
Ayan, mainit na siya. So, padadapain lang natin ito.
I did both.
Ang bango-bango. Can you smell it, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
So, ito toast lang natin siya dito. Can you get it? Okay. So, ganito yung itsura niya.
Wait, I can't eat that one right now.
No.
Like garlic bread.
I know, it's like garlic bread.
Don't you have to flip it though?
No, later, because we're gonna cook the sauce.
Oh yeah. Make
So we
the
don't,
sauce.
yeah, we don't wanna burn the other side. Can you pass me the other, please?
And the other one?
Yeah. Dami natin. Ayan. So, ito na yung natutoast natin. Meron pa akong dalawa na lang dito. Tapos, etong tatlo. Oh, ayan.
Having pizza.
Gising na siya. Why you do that. Tinas niya masyado yung kanyang short.
Now,
Yes, please.
my word.
Yes. Salt and pepper. Salt and pepper here. And pizza topper. Ilagay ko na lang to sa top. Kuya, where is the salt and pepper? Please.
Got 3 cheeses as well.
So, inuna ni Saki Boy yung ating TV kasi gising na si Daddy.
With no onion. Yeah, with the no onion.
Okay. Can you get a cup, Sak, please?
Like one.
Ooh, for your pineapple juice. Favorite ni Sak ang pineapple.
You need a bowl? I can drink the juice. I'm drinking the juice. No,
Yeah.
because I like.
No, teacher will drink. You get the fruit.
I only like pineapple juice.
Hurry up.
Mommy, can you pour some in my cup?
Is this the juice? Have a little drink.
I have pineapple juice there.
I'm just gonna this one.
I just give this to Kuya.
Yeah, this one here.
We have apple juice there.
I don't
Apple
want
juice?
this.
They're the same.
Hey, Holly. Apple juice.
No, yeah, that one. I got apple there.
Now, what's the difference? We gotta try the difference.
Okay, compare.
What, that's it?
Meron kasi
That's
tayo
it?
ditong golden circle
That
na
one's better.
apple juice.
Yeah, that one's really good.
Yeah.
That's enough.
Is that one good?
Okay. I need a space. Where's the salami? So yung salami, ang gagawin ko ay ikakat din natin siya na.
Mom, actually, I want like 3.
I want the spicy one.
Mom, I want 5 salami
Oh, there, it's uneven.
and 4.
There's 14 altogether.
What? No, I'm gonna cut it.
No, like 14 pieces altogether. 2, 4,
Where's
6,
my
7, 8, 10,
Eto.
12, 14.
Gaganin natin siya.
Oh, is that one for shop?
Cute.
For shop?
Ayan. Mini pizza lang to.
Do you
Okay.
have to put sauce on first?
Yeah, I will. Yeah, of course the sauce first. I'm just gonna cut
Dib's
it.
having it after.
Can I?
Okay, ako na lang.
Got it.
Can I have some, Mommy?
Lahat gusto talaga nilang
I'm
itry.
having this one.
No, do this here. Closer to the... Yeah. Just... Yeah,
I'll
okay.
try.
Mommy will do it now.
Oh, you didn't get it. And me. Oh,
Oh.
I'll try.
Kuya din.
I want that one. To eat.
Like this, yeah. Alright. Pizza lang itong ginagawa namin. Lahat gusto ma-involve.
You got it?
Wait,
Okay, I'll let you design your pizza then.
yes.
Yes!
Yes, no
Okay.
onion.
Yes, if you're gonna put onion to your pizza.
Then I will.
Uh-huh. You're not.
Apple, Mommy. No, I'm waiting to eat.
No, that's this one's all mine this time.
Okay, the next one is yours.
Yay.
What happened to the other one?
You got 18.
For who?
Us.
Did you eat one, yeah?
No.
Oh, no, not. This is Kuya too.
So
Now
I
your turn.
take a sip. You get
Kuya. Oh, wait. Careful because I might cut your finger there. Oh, not much.
Now I get that one all for myself.
No. No shot.
It's fun.
Babe, I'm watching YouTube. I'm watching YouTube.
What?
There's no internet. Yeah.
Yeah, wala kaming internet.
Maintenance.
May maintenance yung aming provider. 19 to 23 daw. Mayroon silang maintenance. This is Kuya
So, are you doing Halloween?
half because you get the other half.
Zach, you doing Halloween with? You doing Halloween with?
Oo, mag-Halloween
Who
na.
you? I'm with Ollie,
Baka late-
Cade, Brock,
late yung mapanood
Mitch,
yung Halloween
Deborah,
namin.
Max.
Kasi
I'm with
marami
them.
naman tayong
I know. Brock said.
Pero October na yung aking
I'm coming with you.
ina-upload.
Yeah.
Di ko...
Zach, keep going.
Nah.
Okay, nakat na natin yung ating mini salami. Madali lang naman to, guys. So, parang tayo magpapalaman. Palaman na natin to, no? Si Kuya, kailangan niya nang umalis. Minamadali na ako ni
I can't
Kuya.
wait to eat your
Oh, is that what it's
delicious.
looking like? Then you gotta. Was it ready? Or can we eat it right after?
No, I'm gonna melt the cheese. Okay, unahin muna natin si Kuya. With onions. Just like pizza.
Yeah, but my pizza doesn't have.
Yeah, all pizza has onions.
No? Yes.
Yes.
No? Hawaiian pizza doesn't.
Yeah, they do.
No? No, no.
So this is, well, my pizza is not Hawaiian, so yeah, because I will do the,
Fine, I'll put my onion on. I'll put onion, but I'm putting mine on, okay?
maganda sana ito kung merong bell pepper para maganda ang kulay, kaso ayaw
I just
nila.
want two onion on
I
mine.
just have one onion. Oh, Daddy will have some.
Yeah, that's good.
What? You said one onion.
No.
Can I just have two then?
No. Like this.
I'll just take it out.
You're so stubborn, so. I want you to get used
It
to it
won't
because
be-
all my cooking has onions, Zaki.
Yeah, but like, I don't taste it. It's not as big as this.
You
But
won't taste it because
it's like,
it's
if
gonna
you-
cover with
'cause like-
cheese.
Mum, you're gonna put it on there, right? And I'm gonna take it out. It's kind of like a waste. But if you don't put it on, it's like not a waste. So
Well,
there's no point.
you waste my effort then.
There's no way. There's no point.
Cook Dad's after mine.
After you. Okay.
Oh.
Ayan na yung kay Kuya. Kay
One.
Kuya. Lagyan pa natin ng cheese. Okay, this is Kuya. Mainit na yung ating pan.
Why do I do this?
Okay, cover iya. Cover lang natin siya para mag-melt. Oops. Lagay ako ng tubig para mag-steam. Meron akong ceramic na nabasag yung handle niya. Yung tablespoon ko na. Okay na to, Kuya.
Good. Get a plate.
Bango.
Next slide.
No, it's that.
I know. Next slide.
I want
No, I can still cook one more on mine.
It's hot.
Yeah.
Oh.
Is it burnt? Tastes like pizza.
Huh?
Tastes like pizza.
Tastes like pizza. It is pizza, yeah. It's just bread pizza. Good? I can make that for breakfast.
Yes. No, lunch.
Lunch. Okay, lunch. Yeah, it's not gonna be hot.
Can I try? Oh no, that's
You got socks, TJ?
Ayaw mong onion, may onions yan.
Yeah.
Yung kay sa wala talagang onions. So cheesy, yeah? Ito. Ayun na yung kay Jen. Ito sa'yo ko yun.
Mommy, mine's next.
Yeah. Pagkataw kay Sak ng salami kasi kulang na.
Tries what paper?
It is pizza. Pizza bread. You're right there, Sak?
Yeah.
Yung kanya di talaga natin lalagyan ng onion.
Oh, I'll put that place. Yeah, thank you.
How much?
Finish all the pack. The one pack. Tapos na si John kumain. Dalawa lang naman yung kanya.
I want for me to eat.
Look at that one.
You know. That's good.
Oh!
Spicy?
Yeah, it's garlic.
Okay.
Mum, do you want me to put
What?
salami on?
I put
There was
the...
spicy in there.
Huh?
There was spicy in there. Chili flakes. He thinks he got over spicy.
What? I'm gonna put onions? Trinay niyo yung kay TJ. Nagustuhan niya. What? Tell me now so I can make it.
Yep. I'm putting the onions on.
Okay, hurry up.
Well, do I make mine now?
Yeah, make your own.
Okay.
Ayun kasi ng onion. Sabi ko, itry niya kasi masarap. Holly, you want everything, right?
Just put some on the edge and then.
Yeah, just on the edge, like put 4. Because I put Tija a lot.
No. No.
Just like this.
I'm only putting 2. 2.
Spread it,
And then I
spread
just
it.
put 1 there.
No.
Just
Only having
spread
2.
it.
I'm only having 2. Last one.
Spread it.
Mama, probably
Yeah.
have like
Fine, that's all.
Alright, okay. At least meron ka ng onion.
Oh, there's got onions on it.
Alis na si John, si Sak na sugatan sa lata.
Cut myself, Dad.
Yeah.
I had to do that. What with
Oh, because it's doing the
the tin?
pineapple. Yeah.
I'll just get a tissue and hold it on there.
Good luck. Love you. Okay, kuya.
Daddy.
Love you.
Dad, I might be going to tide on the slippery side.
Yeah, whatever, mate.
Hindi ko pa tapos yung kay Sak kasi nasugatan siya. Yung ano ba, yung cover nito, siya kasi naglalagay ng pineapple niya sa kanyang pizza. May onions na,
What are you doing?
yung kay Sak. Masarap pa naman siya dun sa pizza ni Kuya eh. Not yet, Baba, almost. I'm gonna put yours na. I put a lot of pineapple.
Thank you, Mum.
Good luck.
Yeah,
Where?
yeah, it's a bit deep.
Where?
There. Medyo malalim kasi. Oo, sa kanya, hindi siya tumitingin.
Yeah, but like lots of blood's coming off.
Yeah, because it's wet.
Okay.
When you bleed and you get it wet, it just keeps bleeding, so we're going to keep it dry to stop it from bleeding.
Oh.
It'll stop soon.
Well, I just wet it so I can like see how big it was.
Yeah. Alright, wipe all that blood off there. See you.
See
What's
ya.
the T-bone?
What do you want? Just,
Do a few of them if you want.
Oh,
Don't
alright.
worry about it.
Yeah.
you can have hot dogs.
Yeah, hot dogs. Ah, frick. Put tissue in there.
This. This is yours. Ayan siya. Injured siya.
Don't. There.
You need help?
Got it.
Huh?
Got it.
You got it? Okay. How many you put?
I stocked up on one.
You waste the other one then. So, yan na yung pizza ni Sak tsaka ni Holly. Meron pa si Sak dun sa
That's
pan. Yeah. Yeah, you got more here, Kuya Sak.
These are-
It's hot, ha? It's hot.
Mum dropped one, just saying.
Yeah, na-drop ko yung isa.
It was funny.
Did she pick it up?
It's like pizza.
Let me just.
It's good.
Good? Can you taste the onion?
Not really.
It's alright? Is it good? Huh?
Yeah, go.
And ubos na nila. Ah, si Holly hindi pa. Si Sak ubos niya na.
Full.
You're full?
Now I'm full.
Oh, you're done?
I'm
Alright.
gonna go see what Taj is doing.
Where are you going?
For a ride.
For a ride?
Go there. Just
Okay.
this side. Probably. So yeah.
See ya. Mwah.
Love you.
Love you too.
See you, Ollie.
So, alis siya. Punta siya sa friend niya. Ano na guys? 3:30. Magpo-4 na. So, etong tatlo, bago yan, gagawan natin si Jan para yan yung dinner niya mamaya. And sa mga bata, lutuan ko na lang silang hotdog. And meron pa dyan na tirang adobo. So, yan yung dinner nila. Ayan yung ginawa ko para kay Johnny Boy. Sinabay ko na yung mga pinagputulan natin. And kunti na lang yung pineapples kasi yan na lang yung natira. So, mamaya lalagyan ko to ng cheese and later ko na rin siya lulutuin para mainit pa pag-serve ka Johnny Boy. Ako guys, amoy pizza kahit anong hugas ko. Yung pineapple, tapos yung salami, naghahalo, tsaka yung onion. Siguro maghugas ako ng may kalamansi, lemon. Who got all the clothes from the line? Dito na yung yung mga damit. Who?
Mom and Dad,
When?
when you were cooking cake.
Making pizza?
Yeah.
Ang dami ko na namang tutupiin. Kahapon, ang dami ko rin tinupiin. And bukas pala guys, hindi kayo makakapunta sa party ni Ayla. Kasi, busy raw si Johnny Boy. May work siya. And, yeah, hindi ka makakapunta bukas. Then, sinabihan ko na rin si Reyes nung, kailan ko ba sila? Nag-emergency meeting kasi kami, nag-emergency meeting. Kung maalala nyo, nabanggit ko sa inyo na yung party namin ng mga girls sa December 2, di ba? Nabanggit ko yun sa inyo. December 2. And then yung concert ni Holly, December 2. Nakuha na namin yung time. Kasi akala ko okay lang kung umaga, makakaya ko. Hindi. Kasi yung start ng concert ni Holly, 6 o'clock sa December 2. So, party din namin yun. Kaya kinancel ko yun. Tapos, minove na lang namin. Kasi ang dating ng mga girls is December 1. Tapos, December 2. Yun yung original na plano. Kasi, yan lang yung parang match sa mga schedule nila. Kasi yung iba, uuwi. Tapos si Kat, yung schedule niya rin sa work, tsaka si Neil. So, sa December 2 lang talaga yung tamang date para ma-push namin yung party. So, nandito sila December 1, ang dating December 2, December 3, nandito sila December 4. Ha?
What about Isla's present?
Ayla?
Yeah.
We can give that on December.
Oh.
Kasi nga, di ba, hindi kayo pupunta. Winomori nila yung gift. Kasi may nabili na akong gift. And speaking of gift, mayroon din akong binili kay Reyes. Pakita ko sa inyo. Eto. So, nakat-food tuloy. Oh, ayan. Ito yung regalo ko kay Simply Reyes. Daisy Dream ng Marc Jacobs. Ayan. And si Auntie Mel, meron din ako kay Auntie Mel. Favorite niya to yung Coach. Last year, ito rin yung binigay ko sa kanya. Sabi niya, ubos na raw. And gustong-gusto niya yung scent nito. So, ayan.
Yeah.
Oh. O, pumunta pala si Sak kanina, di ba? Wala si Taj. Tsaka si, siya. Okay.
I want.
Yes, I am.
Okay, love you to. So, yan yung regalo ko kay Auntie Mel. Si Auntie Mel, nasa Hawaii. Di ba si Auntie Mel na talaga nasa Hawaii? So, anyway, yung original plan nga, December 2 yung party. Tapos, December 3, nakabook kami sa The Barn kasi si-celebrate namin yung ni Jan. I-celebrate namin yung birthday niyang advance kasi ang birthday ni Jan, December 4. December 4, uwi na sila kasi may mga work kasi Monday ata ang December 4. So, ang ginawa na lang namin ay minove namin ng December 3 yung party. Tapos, December 1, The Barn. Yung pagdating nila dito. Kasi December 1 dating sila. Tapos, mag-dinner na lang kami sa The Barn. Advance birthday ni Jan. Then, December 2, concert ni Holly, 6 o'clock. Then, December 3 na namin gagawin yung party. Kasi hindi na namin pwede siyang ibaguhin like sa ibang dates. Kasi sikat may work, si Neil may event. Tapos, sila tsaka si Reyes uuwi. So, yan lang talagang 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 4 uwi sila kasi may mga work. So, 1, 2, 3, yan lang. December 1, 2, 3 lang talaga pwede namin ma-fix yung date para sa Christmas party namin. So, yun guys, yung ganap and adjustment. And, yes. So, sabi ko talaga, tinawagan ko sila. Tinext ko, emergency meeting. Tapos sabi ni Lyra, sabi niya, ano nangyari man? Ay, nasa New Zealand pa naman siya. Sabi ko, ganun ako. Sabi ko, wala. Sabi ko, akala ko mapupush ko ng December to yung party natin. Nagawin ko yung mga dessert sa gabi. Tapos, kung umaga yung concert ni Holly, kaya. Kaso hindi talaga kasi 6 o'clock ng gabi ang concert ni Holly. So, gabing-gabi na kami niya makaka-uwi. So, in-update ko lang kayo, guys. Ito, ang bango nito. Ito si Marc Jacob. Daisy Dream. Ang ganda pa ng bottle. Ayan yung regalo natin. Ibigay na lang natin yan sa December to. Or sa November. Baka punta ako sa November sa Adelaide. Kasi baka manood ako ng The Course. Kasi merong isang ticket si Mersh na dapat kay ate. So, we'll see. Update ko na lang kayo. I-close ko na yung vlog guys kasi tingnan nyo yung aking. Wala naman kasi nang gagawin. Ang dinner namin, yung pizza, pinakita ko sa'yo kay Jan. Yung mga bata mag-hotdog, may adobo pa dyan kung gusto nila. Magtupi ako tsaka mag-edit lang naman ako. Tingnan yung tupiin ko. So, ayan yung aking mga tutupiin. Kahapon, dami ko rin tinupi. Insert ko dito. O, diba? Diba, naka-zoom in ako. Zoom in. Oy! Lalong nag-zoom.
At the farm.
Ha?
It's still there.
They're still there? Bumalik ulit siya. Pangalawang balik niya na to. Wala sila touch. Naboboard siya. So, end ko na yung vlog, guys. Let's close the vlog, Saki boy. Kasi ha?
Twix?
Twix?
Yeah.
Alright, if you want. Gusto niyo mag-chocolate. Let me see how many. Can I have a bite? Mag-bite
Wait,
tayo.
there's 2, 4, 6.
All of, don't eat it all. Can I have one?
Pardon me. Mommy, can I have
So, let's close the vlog. Ang ganda pa naman ng card na ginawa. Baba, show your card for Ayla. Ang ganda ng card na ginawa niya. Nakita niyo na ata. If I'm just gonna have a bite, I'm not gonna finish this. Ayan, ang ganda ng card niya. Oh. Love you. Nakalagay pa dyan. Ay, hindi mag-focus. Love you, Ayla. Ayan yung card niyo. Happy 3rd birthday. And dapat, kung natuloy kami, kila Mers, dapat kami magstay. Nung Sunday, nag-text si Mers kung doon kami mag-stay sa amin. Tinanong ko si Jan, sabi ni Jan, sinabi niya talaga sa akin, hindi siya sure kung makakapunta kami. Sabi ko, bakit? Kasi nga, ang work ni Jan, hindi continuous ba? Kasi nga yung weather, ang pangit ng weather, later baba, ang pangit ng weather. So, minsan hindi siya nakakapag-fishing ng 4 days. So, hindi niya ako binigyan ng answer kung matutuloy kami. Tapos sabi ko kay Mers, i-text na lang kita. So kanina ko lang tinext si Mers na sabi ko hindi kami matutuloy sa Adelaide. And si Race din pala, nabanggit ko to nung nag-emergency meeting kami na hindi kayo pupunta. And then kanina nag-text ulit sa akin si Race. Sabi niya, "Manay, sure kayo hindi kayo pupunta kasi gagawin niya na raw yung party bag." Tapos, tinanong ko ulit si Jan, sabi niya, hindi daw talaga. So, tinext ko si Ray, sabi ko, hindi talaga, Race. Sabi ko, sorry. So, tinext ko siya, nasabi ko, hindi. Kasi tinext niya ako kung matutuloy para gawan niya rin ng mga party bags yung mga bata. Kasi, ipa-finalize niya na raw. So, sabi ko, hindi talaga. Kasi tinanong ko ulit si Jan kanina, hindi daw. So, yun guys. End na natin yung vlog, Baba. Come on. Ang ganda ng card. Oh, ganda-ganda ng card. Tapos may handwriting pa ni Holly. Let's close the vlog, Baba. Say thank you. And ginawa niya rin pala ng bracelet. Did you make bracelet? Yeah, ginawa niya rin ng bracelet sa Ella. So, yun na guys.
show it?
Yeah, next time na lang. So, yun na guys yung vlog. Thank you. Please like.
Please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you in our next vlog. Bye.
Bye.